Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our edit attendance portions, right? So now if you go to any date, that means that is our 3rd December, that means the 3rd December. If you click as edit, so for the 3rd December I have taken that as our this attendance, so that is our date is now selected, and that is our all that employee list, and that is appropriately the same what exactly we take for this date. Okay, that means this attendance date. Perfect. So now this update will be what? This update will be that everything will be just like that same. I only want to do, I want to restore this data. I want to delete our previous record, and then I want to restore this data, right? So here we don't need to create any other new method. With same method, that means with our same store method, we can update this. I show you, like first of all, that is our update. So that is our page as the edit page, and that is our date. So now if you go, that is our edit page, into the edit page, that is our update button, right? That is also one of the form, and into the form area I want to update it. So that will be the same. I have already created that as a store employee attendance, right? Because I get this same data from our add attendance. That means that this add page I copy and paste it on here. So into the same method, that means in our store employee attendance, that is a post method, that is a CSRF token. If you go to our web route, into the web route here, that is our store employment, that is a employee attendance. And here in our employee attendance controller, I have created this method as a attendance store, right? So now here I want to update it. If you go to our employee attendance controller, and that is our store method. So into the store method, I want to do that work. I want to only remove our previous date, all that record, and then I want to restore this data again. Okay, so that means everything will be just like that same. I show you, like only I want to add one of the here. Now I want to update. That means if you go to our employee, into the employee attendance, I want to remove this date, okay, or this dated all that our record. So that is actually our date, and that is our employee attendance table. So if you want to access that employee attendance table, that is our model. So now with this model we can actually access it, right? So that is our model, and with this I want to put on the where condition, where our field name as a this date. So this date will be our requested date because I name it as a date, and date will be our request date. Our request date means in your edit page, into the edit page, that is our requested date, right? So here I pass that our zero value data and pass that as a date. So that will be better. I want to add that same format. So that is our format as a year, and then the month, and then the date, right? So I want to add that our date format here, that will be as a date format, and into the date format I want to add that will be as a same as a year, and then the month, and then the date. Okay, and then the star to time, and into the star to time I want to pass that our requested date. Okay, our requested date means that is our requested date in the frame field as a date. I copy it, so that will be as this one. So when it should be matched, and then I want to add that delete that our previous record. So now with this delete method, I delete it. Okay, I delete it, and after that our spam procedure will be run again. So friend, that's all I have to do. Better I want to make it as a not that date insert, I make it as an update. Okay, then that will be actually the same for both of these. When it should be inserted this data, it should be inserted, rather than it should be updated this data. Okay, so that is our start to time, the request date I pass it and delete it, all previous selected, all the record I delected, and then it should be restored. Perfect friend, that's all you have to do. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Now if you want to check it, I click as a save all, and now if you go like here, right now refresh it. So right now our date, that is actually our edit page, right? So into the edit page, that is our 3rd December 2020. So for the 3rd December 2020 as a leave, so now I want to change it. I want to make 2 of this as a present, only 1 will be as a absent. Okay, so now let's check this out. If everything okay, it should be work. Now click as update. Yes, you can see it's not perfectly updated. There is employee attendance data updated successfully. So now if you go to our 3rd, that means the 3rd December, now click as a edit. Yes, you can see, friend. Now it's actually deleted all that our previous attendance data, and now it's updated with this. Okay, so you see everything is just like that same. Our date is also updated, and everything is great. Okay, friend. I hope it's very much clear to you how much easily we did that work. So right now, if you want to insert new data, like I insert it, I make it as a date format as a, so now there is a 5. Okay, I make it as a 5 December. Into the 5 December, I make 2 of this as a absent. Okay, 2 of this as a absent, and everything is present. Now click as a submit. Yeah, you can see employee attendance data updated successful. That is our new one as a 5th 12th, that means December 5th. Now click as edit. So right now everything is great. So now I want to update, like there is absent, I make it as a present for a specific the same date. Okay, I want to update it that same date. Now click as a update. Only one is the absent, and now you can see it's now updated. So now there is our 5 December. If you now click as edit it again, and you can see everything is just like that same. Okay, friends, so how much easily we did that work. I hope you will understand about it. Only I just put on the condition where our date will be our requested date, and this previous date I want to delete it. Okay, so that will be automatically be deleted, and then it will be restored this data. Perfect. So friend, I actually inserted some of the data in particular that area. That means I have already take some of the attendance with the date, and I also get all that our date wise data. That means the group by data I get it with the same. Okay, so here I save it with the 5th December, the 3rd December, 4th December, and the 1st December. So now I want to visible all the data. That means here there is also one of the view, that means the details page. So into the details page, if you click it, that it will be redirected to our another page, and then our all that these group by data will be visible. Okay, so how can do that work? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.